Raffle number 4. I'm checking out the hydros. There's all the other places. So these are on sale at that last place, but they're not on sale here. Dang, I just dropped my wallet. My man helped me out. The guy that works here. Whew, that was close. All right, so these were on sale for 20 at the last spot. They're not on sale here. So those are the 4s. These were not on sale at the last place. The cement 4s. These were on sale, the 10s, but they're still sitting. I haven't sold any of those yet. So this is on sale now. So I might have to see what they got on this. I have to check. So yeah, let's go see. Cool grays, but they probably only got the big sizes because this shit's huge. Shit's huge. Oh man, these are going for $100, you guys. Holy fuck, I'm still thinking about it. Just because $100 fucking dollars. God damn. Damn, I need to get those. Converse, Pumas. Pretty good selection. Ultraboost. And Nikes. $70. So. They look alright, but just a little pricey. Same price here, $129 yet. $129 like all the other shoe palaces. Like the 2019 Ultraboost. Oh, not bad. Okay. Oh, damn. Damn, $100, isn't it? Is that the regular price? Those are the Dawn Spider-Mans, right? That's legit. Women's shoes, kids' shoes. Real good selection. NASA's for the kids. $95. Last one had some crazy prices. Oh, I've never even seen this colorway. PGs. Oh, okay. 110. That's kind of cool. Oh, look at that. Sort of cartoon. From He-Man and shit or something? I don't know what the hell that is. Let's see what the Lebrons hit for. 109. Holy crap, that's really good. Those light years, and then $99 for these. Wow, man. Cheaper than the outlets, man. That is nuts. So you guys need to shop around. Y'all need to shop around, dude. That's crazy. I've never seen these. These are pretty sick. $159. Okay. Not bad. The 95s are on sale. Oh, these are the Vapor Max. $129 for Vapor Max. Yeah, y'all need to hit these fools up. I think they're a little bit cheap at the outlets, but the selection, look at the selection here. Look at the selection. And $125 for that, that's not bad. So let's start with this. All right, let's start with this. So cool, I bought 2 of the, I don't remember which hydros they were. Hydro 11 cool gray and the Hydro 10. I think it's like the Orlando color with royal and black and white. But yeah, so I almost bought the thing Jordan 4 Nostalgias, I believe. They were $100 fucking dollars. And they were a size 10.5. It's slightly big, but shit, it's good enough. It's big enough. It fits okay. My bread 4s are the size 10 and they fit perfectly. Like those would have been alright, but dang, $100, man. Hopefully if I win that raffle, I can come back and cop those and be super happy since I got those, since I'm getting the city. And so who knows, you guys. But yeah, let's check out the finds, you guys. Look, these are the Hydro 11 cool grays. There's like a patent leather on the outside, just like all the other Hydro 11s. Jumpman right here. Got the 23, and then this part is a nice, super soft leather. Not tumbled, but just leather. Is it Nubuck? Oh, that's regular leather. Super soft stuff. And then got that rubbery gummy material right there. And bam, $20. Check out the other ones. So those are size 13. I'm gonna throw those bad boys probably on StockX, and then there's these 10s, right? These are size what? 9s? Yeah, see, nice size 9s. And this is the Hydro 10. I think it's royal, white, and black. So yeah, this one has just regular leather, buck leather on the sides, buck leather on the top, and a little bit of synthetic material, synthetic black material right there. And then, so that buck leather goes all the way around. Got the little nice Jordan symbol, 23 right there. And then this thing doesn't have, has like a soft material. Feels like a generic TPU or one of those type of materials. Not bad. The outsole, but not bad. $20, you guys. $20. I'm gonna throw this bad boy on eBay as soon as I get home. But the Glendale Galleria, mall number 5, you guys. Shoe Palace number 5, you guys. Let's get this raffle. I'm about to put my raffle in, but they're helping some open. Oh look, Air Force One. A lot of the Nike stuff been having extra swooshes. Look at that, it's kind of cool. With dope colors too. Nice. I got these bad boys at the outlet for about $35 too. That's crazy. That's why I threw it on eBay. It's selling for cheaper than this. They look dope though. I do like the way they look, man. I might have to keep a pair. I got a couple. Looks like someone did a hydro dip on this. Looks like one of Hez Kicks hydro dip videos. Looks nice. Damn, I was hoping they'd have some of the hydros. Nope, not any of the good ones at least. They just got these weak ones. These bad boys ain't on sale yet. It's $58. The Hydro 4. These are the white cement ones. Yeah, then we got this. Dang, even these ain't on sale. These are always on sale. All right, Hydro 7s. Is that the 7? I know these are the 7s. But yeah, man. How much for flipping here? Yeah. I'm always surprised at what doesn't sell at some places, but does sell at others. For retail, so it's 11 and a half. 11 and a half. So they still got a few sizes left. Got the snake skins right there. Got the Black Tinkers. Got pretty much the same one as all the other stores. You guys just saw this, so I'm not gonna go over all of them. Got a huge selection for the kids, man. Look at that. Walls and walls. That's the little kids and the big kids. That's crazy. Oh, this one has a separate women's section. I don't think any of the other ones have that. That's cool. Yeah, that's crazy. So these bad boys with the outlets too. $79. I think they would hit for like 55 or something. That's crazy. Kobe ADs? The regular ADs? Is this a special edition? Damn, sure won't focus. What the hell? Special edition with 10s on the back? I don't know what that is. Feel ill-informed. Only $100 though. That's not bad. Alright, back in the Jordan area. What's this? $139 for the 6s. That's not bad. That is the Glendale location, you guys. That's the Glendale location. So yeah, that's my 5th one, you guys. Yeah, we'll see what happens. They didn't have any of the hydros, any of the good ones for sale. So that kind of bummed me out because every other place I've been checking stuff out. So yeah. Damn, I feel like Shoe Palace selection's better, and I bet you the prices are better too. So, oh, these are interesting. I haven't seen these anyway. $120. Cool colorway. I haven't seen that. That's real interesting. Like the reflective. But yeah, but like the selection's kind of whatever, you guys. Isn't? Yeah, I don't even see the new. Oh, okay. They do got the new 12s right there. The Lakers. They got the Mars ones. But yeah, I don't see the selection. Maybe they sell quicker than the other ones. Look, the CP3s. Is anybody hyped about this one? Normally $100. It's on sale. Is anybody hyped up about that? Alright, these other sections is nice. Look at this. Yeah, big fan of these up tempos. These are sick. The C3 Air unit. Sick. That's sick. Saw these like 2-3 weeks ago for the first time. These are real. I love those. That's a little too expensive though. $160. $160, guys. Alright, Lebrons going on sale almost everywhere, it looks like. After the 16 lows, KD 12s. Those bad boys on sale in many places. Witnesses going on sale. And the first time I've seen these anywhere. Joyrides. Going for $1.80, dude. The bottom does look pretty soft. Holy crap. It's really soft. But it doesn't feel that soft as it react, but the stuff inside is supposed to be really soft. I don't know about those. Second model of the Joyrides? Oh shit. It's the second model. That's crazy. Not digging it, but it's crazy here so you guys could actually see it. Oh, okay, maybe I was talking shit about the price for nothing. Look, these are 100. They were 120 at Shoe Palace, I believe. All the other ones are not on sale, but those are nice. I've always been a fan of these. Those are the Fruity Pebble one or something. These on sale too. These on sale. I ain't hating on these. Not bad. Red, white, and blue. Red, white, blue, and black. $1.40. I got these for like what? $80. I found those for what? 70? 72 at the outlet. Not bad. Those prices ain't bad though. 140. Got a little discount. And Vapor Maxes. So you got a lot of Vapor Max. That's crazy. Looks nice. Palace right there. They got the Champs right there. And they got a Finishline right there. That's crazy. Good job, Glendale Galleria. Good job. Don't have to walk for shit. Let's go get some kicks. These hitting the outlets for $100. The Nike ones for $100, guys. Going for $1.50 here. See, this is not a bad price. That's not bad. Damn, bro, those are on sale already, you guys. That's fucking crazy. Those ain't been out for more than what, 2 months? They have been sitting, they've been sitting like crazy. They got every shoe on sale now, dude. End of the year, I guess. End of the season, time for the new stuff to come out. $100, bro, why not? Okay, not at these prices. $100, $100. I'm not mad at these prices at all. KDs are down 79 for them PG3s. I don't know why I couldn't have a brain for PG3s. 129 for the LeBron mids. Man, not mad at all. It's the first time I've seen these live. These are sick. Love that splatter paint. And the splatter paint is actually, it's actually embroidered. Quality's a little bit better than I thought. Okay. Curries? Oh my goodness, this actually looks pretty sick. Yeah. Actually looks pretty sick, you guys. First curry that I've ever said, hey, actually looks pretty good. Not bad. Good for you. Good for you, Under Armour. It's a good shirt here, Mitchell Ness ones, you guys. $1.30. That's sick. It's just Shaq ones. That's sick. Never seen these Mitchell Ness ones in purpose. Mike Bibby. These are awesome. Another Shaq. Damn, what's it? Shaq Love ones? What the hell?
Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just looking. Thank you. Some Iverson. Not bad. I was hoping these were on sale. Nope, not on sale. $58. $58. They do look sick though. Nothing else even close to copy. Not terrible, just not worth copy. What do you guys think about these Pumas RSX? They're trying to make a comeback. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't think I'm that big of a fan. I think that's a new one. I think that's a new colorway. This is like one of the original ones that first came out. I think that's the one that came out with the Optimus Prime and all that stuff, right? The Transformers thing. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I have no clue what to think. I don't think I'm that into them. All right, we out. We out. Champs in a nutshell right there. All right, cool. That's pretty much about it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Make sure you watch all my videos in the past. I've only been doing this for, what, 2.5 months, and I've already got, what, 45 videos or something like that. So, yeah. So go ahead and enjoy all those videos. Go ahead, make sure you watch them. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Peace. See you in the next one.